Welcome 6th standard children. This is your revision video. What all so far 2 lessons are there for the exam, isn't it, in all? So I've written social. Social means history, geography, political life. In all the 3 subjects you all are having 2 lessons. Total 6 lessons are there. So on the board I have given the model of the question paper. So you also history question paper. History question paper, total marks 25. So name the following. That I'll be asking 5 marks. Sometimes I may ask 10, name the following, each half mark each. Then fill in the blanks, then match the following, answer in 1 or 2 sentences, that is one word answer, then short answers. This is the model of your history question paper, total 25 marks. Then your geography and political life question paper, that is both geography and political life is sharing 25 marks. It is name the following, that is 5 name the following, half mark each. Then fill in the blanks also 5, half mark each. Then answer the question, 2 or 3 short answers I'll be asking. Then diagram is very important in geography. I'll tell you, I'll be explaining what diagram will come. Then political life, fill in the blanks, that is 4 marks, that is 8 fill in the blanks, half mark each. Then answer the question, 2 or 3 short answers I'll be asking. This is the model of your geography and political life, total 25. Now I am going to discuss about your subject. First I will be discussing the history. History you all are having 2 lessons for the exam, isn't it? That is lesson 3. Lesson 3 in the earliest cities, that is lesson 3 in history. Now what all, which is the oldest city, that is Harappa. Now the other sites archaeologists have found, that is Kalibangan, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro. These are the other sites like Harappa. Then how they build the houses and all. The one side is lower and broader, the other side is higher and narrow. Citadel. Now you should know what is citadel. Then the great bath, that is very important in Mohenjo-daro, the great bath. Then next houses, drains and streets, how the drains are made from the house straight connected to the drains in the street. Then about the scribes. I've explained about scribes, isn't it? What are scribes? They are the writers. In this time that archaeologists have found writers. Then craftsperson. Now sometimes if I give a question like scribes, don't look, you'll read the lesson and find out what are scribes. Then what all metals they have used to make ornaments. Then what all grains they have used as food. Then the cotton, where cotton was grown in Mahaga, isn't it, cotton. Then what is faience, that is a metal. Then raw material. Then about the town, that is in Gujarat, there are city of Dholavira and Sabarmati, that is there and all. They have found the site, archaeologists have found the site, that all you all have to read. Then this pyramid, mummies, what are mummies? Then the next lesson, history, that is what books and burials tell us. So the Vedas, the 4 Vedas. Then what all Vedas consist, hymns, dialogues between Vishwamitra and the 2 rivers. Then about horses, about the 2 type of people. One is Brahmanas, that offer prayers and all to God, and Rajas. In that Raja they don't have palaces and all, isn't it? Cities, palaces or armies. Then megaliths to mark this burial place, stone boulders. So all that. Then Inamgone, burial site in Inamgone. Then the social difference. By looking at the body they will understand the social difference, isn't it? If the person is rich, you can see more objects along with the body, all that. That is what. Then you all have to, but I see children on page 45, this I didn't give you all. So don't study this page 45. Page 44, fill in the blanks, match the following and all, you all study. So that is what 2 lessons in history. Then you all are having political life. Political life also you all are having 2 lessons. That is, one is key elements of a democratic government, and the other one is what is government. That is the 3rd lesson, what is government. Level of government. Level I told you, that is local level, state level, national level, all the 3 levels. Then what did I explain to you all about the laws and the government? That government bharanathil vannal, they'll make law. All the people has to follow that law. Types of government, monarchy and democracy. That also I explained to you all. Then Gandhiji. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്തൊരു കോളം ഉണ്ട്, വുമൺ. അന്നത്തെ കാലം സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് വോട്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള അധികാരമില്ലായിരുന്നു. അപ്പം 1920 റിവോൾട്ട്, that is in the UK, and later 1928 അല്ല ആ റിവോൾട്ട്, അതൊക്കെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ് കേട്ടോ. പിന്നെ ഗാന്ധിജി ഹാസ് റിട്ടൺ ഇൻ ദ യങ് ഇന്ത്യ 1931. ഗാന്ധിജി എന്താണ് എഴുതിയത്? ഐ കനോട്ട് പോസിബിളി ബെയർ ദ ഐഡിയ. അതായത് സ്വത്തുള്ളവർക്ക് മാത്രമേ വോട്ടുള്ളൂ, സ്വത്തില്ലാത്തവർക്ക് വോട്ടില്ല, all that. And this you all learned, children. This I gave you one exercise and the question answers, that is in political life. Then key elements. What are the main key elements of a democratic government that I told you? That is, one is participation. ഏതൊക്കെ തരത്തിലുള്ള പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേഷൻ, സിഗ്നേച്ചർ ക്യാമ്പയിൻ, അത് പിന്നെ നീറ്റ് റിസോൾവ്, എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഗവൺമെൻറ് കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ് റിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. That and all you all read, children. Read the lesson. And equality and justice, that is the 3rd key element. Then your geography. Geography I told you, lesson 3 and 4. That is 3 motions of the earth. That is rotation, revolution, orbital plane, circle of illumination. That is day and night where tirina a circle. Then this diagram is very important. This I am going to ask, that is revolution of the earth and seasons. Then you have to learn about leap year, elliptical orbit. Then summer solstice and winter solstice and equinox. All that you all have to learn, children, these exercise and all. Then the last page. Then next one is map. The different type of map: physical map, political map and thematic map. Then components of map: distance, cardinal points, intermediate points, symbols, what are conventional symbols, sketch, plan. കേട്ടോ, അതൊക്കെ ഈ exercise also I have given you, learn that exercise. So diagram I told you, the diagram you all learn, children. Okay children, thank you. All the best.